Atupitona rasisi Soroti City West Division. Josephine Basiret ngese balebe program lo Apollo na oitela nesi medai kinitunga ara yese kutuwe biashara lo imedai
development model in Soroti City West Division. We need to appreciate the fact that this money is coming in to uplift us. We don't have other Ugandans. We are the same Ugandans. We are the same citizens of this nation, of which I believe that developing the country is a shared responsibility of all citizens and other actors. So we are the same citizens of Uganda who are supposed to benefit from these activities. How ready are we? I wouldn't want a situation money hit several pockets, millions of money, and it finds us not ready. We end up spending this money just to solve small problems, school fees, small problems, debts here and there. Then moiko bamonya pukan.
Atupitona polo kinitona jakanuto ko Eibuga Soroti Emmanuel Okaja ngese balebe kopekwa na ijasi apedorosho nu Eibuga ai tutuori tunga eponelo Aimedaun koto mapolo na oitela.
For our people, how do we move away from subsistence economy to the money economy? And this is the program that has been designed for us and in the whole country. So far we have conducted some particular activities which the coordinator has mentioned, specifically on training and sensitization. Last week we have basic training. We have trained town agents, we have trained LOCs to the PDCs, and the training is continuing, and all of us will be trained to that effect. Sensitization is also taking place. We want to sensitize people to understand this program and not to be misinterpreted. We are also lucky that this week we received a circular from Ministry of Finance giving us some additional funds for recurrent activities, particularly for this program.
A councillor boy kinite atumuna kako Soroti City East Aba Shaban ngese balebe losikwane ya pesike akora rakironu Apollo na oitela neja si atumuna kateteri medaunete
ilolo le matumna kengis to sibe programs la pugan kote bai akespolo kwane adaunete gare program lo areje se kuse group liwa dikaone sibedote sai Aimedaun otoma oitela kus angini telejata re committee lo itwene re pole kite committee ngon ne si LOC2 so parana kwane ona nyine kone lipedo na Aimedaun otoma pia yanu ni pedote ngarakino ni tomapol
Ganuka TV East Abraham Lapo ka Christine Tado ko Eibuga Soroti.